Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're out there buying intention oils or anointing oils and you want to know how to use them to bring in success and prosperity or whatever you're trying to do, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to focus on success and prosperity, and I'm going to give you some examples of some oils that you should have in your possession and how to use them. Now, if you like this video and you want to know more about money manifestation, don't forget to go out there and get my Simple Money Rituals book, okay? It's available on Amazon or my website, so look in the description. Everything is there. So now, what are the oils I'm talking about? And we're going to do this quick, okay? When we're talking about anointing oils or intention oils, we're talking about oils we're using to anoint something with. Okay, so it could be a candle, like the candle I have back there. It could be a candle that you're burning. Maybe you're burning a better business candle, okay? A candle to bring in more business into your company or whatever you're doing. Or maybe you're burning a candle just to bring in or open up the doors to success and wealth for yourself. Whatever it is, it's good to have a couple of different oils that you can anoint it with as you're setting your intention in the candle. You could be also anointing crystals or your bracelets or a piece of paper that you wrote on that you're going to keep in your wallet. Whatever it is you're trying to do to bring in that abundance and that prosperity or success, anointing oils is a must. Now, when it comes down to this, the first oil that I would use, and I always keep on me, is holy oil, okay? Holy oil, for me, is basically the best oil to anoint anything with, no matter what it is you're doing. I don't care if it's money, protection, health, whatever it is, a holy oil is my number one. Now, when it comes down to business, I keep on myself a better business oil, okay? And then when it comes down to challenges where I'm trying to do something and I'm feeling like I'm stuck, I'm feeling like nothing seems to work, that's when I roll out my High John oil and my road opener, okay? And I use these oils to anoint many different things, including myself, okay? As long as you're not allergic to it. Now, other oils you can use to bring in that prosperity, I would say is prosperity oil, and one that a lot of people don't know about, and that would be magnet oil. Magnet oil is used to attract things to you, okay? So let's just say you're trying to manifest a promotion at your job, or trying to anoint something to help bring in some abundance into your life. Magnet oil is one of the great things to use because you're setting your intention while you're anointing whatever it is that you're trying to attract. Okay, another oil that you can actually use is helping hand oil. And this means it's like God's help or the universe's help with whatever it is you're trying to do. Now, I have many oils here. I have here manifestation oil, and I have here success oil, which I use a lot, okay? I kind of anoint myself with it as I'm going out, planning my day, knowing that my day is going to be exactly the way I want it to be. Attraction oil, you can use in many different ways. You can anoint your money. You can anoint a piece of paper that you're using to bring in abundance. Maybe you're looking for a promotion. You can anoint that paperwork that you're putting in for that promotion. You can anoint many different things. You can anoint your wallet, okay? Whatever it is. Now, when I say anointing, you guys, I'm not talking about pouring oil all over the place. It is not like that. So stick with me and I will show you how I do my anointing. Okay, and the last oil I want to show you that is powerful, and that is the uncrossing oil. It's kind of similar to the road opening oil, where you're basically trying to get away, trying to open up the doors to prosperity and success. So this is a powerful oil. So now, how would I use these oils? Again, I would anoint myself. If it's holy, I'll put a cross on myself. If it's some type of other oil, I might anoint my sides of my face or my wrist or my hands, and then roll it on whatever I'm using, whether it's a piece of paper, whether it's crystals. Maybe I'm wearing a crystal charm and I want to just anoint it on there. Most of the times people use these oils to anoint candles, whatever candle you're using to burn, to set that intention. Okay. Now, when I say using oil, what I do is I just take it, open it, I take it like this, and that's it. Or I take it like this, and that's it, you guys. And I might just anoint myself with it. Okay. I don't put a lot of oil on. That's all you need. So one bottle should actually last you a long time. Some of these bottles that I have here, I've had for years, and they're still here. Now, where do I store my oils? I take pride, and I have a little chest here, and inside has nothing but oils. Okay, you guys? So no matter what it is that I'm using it for, I can always go to my chest and say, I'm anointing this candle for such and such, whether it's protection, love, or whatever. And I can always pull out an oil to anoint that candle. Now, remember, you guys, oils like High John the Conqueror and Road Opener and holy oil can be used for basically anything. And when you're looking at it, when you look at prosperity or helping hand or magnet oil, these things could be used for multiple reasons, okay? Not just prosperity, money, and success. It could be used for many different things. If you want any of these oils, everyone, please, I'm gonna put it out there. Don't forget to go to my store at My World of Metaphysics and get that oil. They're very inexpensive. In fact, my site is going to be less expensive than many other sites you go on. So again, everyone, if you haven't gone out there already, get my Simple Money Rituals book. Is available everywhere. And blessings to you, and namaste.